Alright guys, I got these at the local grocery store on sale. So these are Yves Veggie Cuisine ancient grain veggie chicken tenders, or chicken tenders. They're actually all plant-based. So it's actually kind of neat. It was on sale, like I said. Here's the ingredients if you guys want to read it. Pause the video. So basically you got your wheat protein, your wheat gluten, your soy protein. So it has all this type of stuff in there. This is the nutrient panel, so it's not gluten-free if you guys were wondering, but it is plant-based. So let's open this up. So I'm gonna bake this in the oven. That's what they look like if you guys were wondering. Okay, so yep, so I'm gonna cook this up and I'll be right back, guys. Stay tuned and I'll do a quick taste test. Alright, so here are those plant-based nuggets that have been finished. So I just finished cooking them and let's do a quick taste test. Okay, so they are plant-based. They taste like, okay, well, they don't taste exactly like a chicken nugget. It tastes like a sort of denser soy nugget. So it's not that. So it's a denser soy nugget. You know, if you didn't know it was vegan based, or I mean veggie based, you wouldn't know. It's pretty hard to tell, so that's what I'll say. I would say it probably needs a little bit more seasoning as well. So if you have a dip, like a dip sauce, you actually probably would notice the difference. But not bad, definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post, subscribe to the channel.